What do you say we do another hotel room review today? We are in Cairns, Australia, and we are staying at the Hilton, and I'm going to walk you through the room. There will be a full hotel tour of the entire property coming up very, very soon. I want to let you know exactly what room we are staying in because it is going to matter. This is room 326, and now I will flip you around. There's not a whole lot to the room. It's a pretty standard room here, but I will walk you into the bathroom. They've got the amenities here, the sink, the stand-up shower, but it also has a tub, which is a nice feature. The conditioner, shampoo, and soap are all mounted onto the wall. They're not separate and individual, so you can't take them home with you as souvenirs. The toilet here, walk in, got this full-length mirror, which is nice if you want to get ready, if you're getting ready and somebody's in the shower. First compartment, the obligatory safe here. We have not moved in yet, so it is still open and not programmed. The closet, and there's three of us staying, and they gave us 3 individual robes and very nice 3 sets of slippers. You have an iron, you have an ironing board, plenty of space for us if we even unpack. We're only going to be here a couple of days. Coffee machine here with the coffee, and then inside of the refrigerator they just have creamer. So it's not a mini bar. You can come and put your leftovers in it, but there's nothing you can get out that you would pay for. They have this really cool feature, which is they give you glass bottles, and then they have a refilling station. So they're really trying to cut down on plastic waste. Nicole really liked that. Little pot, a little tea kettle if you want to make tea, and then your cups here. Plenty of storage space here. A little office desk if you need to get something done with a light. We're not even going to probably use these drawers. We're never going to turn the TV on. We never do. 2 beds. Ben's already claimed this one, and when we were checking in, because Ben is a kid, obviously, they gave him this little backpack, a little set. This has got shampoos in it, toothbrushes, things like that, a little shark, these postcard coloring book things. That was awesome and completely unexpected. But here are the 2 beds. The plugs are going to be all European style plugs, but they do have a clock radio with 2 USBs. And now for the big reveal. If you, again, are on this side of the hotel and I showed you our room number, this is going to be your view. So we get this open, and we were absolutely amazed when we first saw it. This huge window right on the water with this really nice size balcony as well, with a couple of seats here. Again, we just moved in. But we were amazed when we first saw this. Like, what an amazing view with the mountains in the back, sailboats right out here, and right on the water. So that is the room tour and review. Again, very shortly, if it's not up already, there will be a full walkthrough of the entire property. Take care.